Hi everyone, today we are going to discuss a very important term of grammar, that is infinitive. If you are learning basic grammar or the advanced grammar, you should know about the infinitive. It is a very important and somehow it is confusing term to understand. So in this video, you will come to know about what the infinitive is, how it can be used, and what is the structure of the infinitive, and everything will be discussed in this video. You people have to watch the video till the end. If you are new to the channel, please do a subscribe. So we are starting now. Infinitive. Okay, the first thing, we have the definition of the infinitive. We should know about the infinitive. What is the infinitive? The infinitive is the base form of a verb, usually preceded by to. For example, to swim, to eat. Likewise, one thing is clear here, that infinitive is base form verb, means the first form of verb. One thing is clear, usually preceded by to. Infinitive can be only base form verb and it can be preceded by to. Got it? Like to swim, to eat. Likewise, this can be infinitive. This is infinitive. We cannot say can be. This is infinitive. And sometimes without to, it is also called infinitive. It is used accordingly. If it is used accordingly, it is considered a non-finite verb from meaning it does not express tense, person, or number. Okay, there is a question. Now, if infinitive is non-finite, what is the finite? Okay, this is the question. All the verbs in English language are our finite verbs. All the verbs in English language are our finite verbs, and the non-finite verbs are the verbs that are derived from the finite verbs. Derived from the finite verbs. Like uh, we have studied participles like we can say past participle, present participle, and we have gerund, and we have this infinitive. These are the things. These are non-finite verbs. Okay, these are non-finite verbs. These cannot be used as main verb in a sentence. Got it? Okay, I hope that you have understood this. We will understand forms of the infinitive. Sorry, forms of the infinitive. Now infinitive has not only one form, it has two forms. You can say types of infinitives. You can say two types. Infinitives are two types. To infinitive begins with to, followed by the base form of the verb. For example, to walk, to read. That's what I had already told you in the beginning, that the infinitive can begin with to or without to. Got it? And it will be used accordingly, like noun. You can say subject or object in a sentence, or it can be used in form of phrase. Got it? Now we are having some examples of to infinitive. We will come to know about. He arrived too late to see the actors. Which one is to infinitive? The to see in this sentence is our to infinitive, and it is used as an object in this sentence. Got it? I have had enough food to eat, and again this is object in this sentence. I have is verb, helping verb, had is helping verb, enough food, had is main verb, enough food to eat. To eat is object of the sentence. She is old enough to make. To make is infinitive, up her own mind. Okay, this is again object in this sentence. There isn't enough snow to ski on. This is again used as an infinitive in this sentence. Okay, this is to infinitive. All these are to infinitive. And infinitive can be used as subject, can be used as an object. You will see some more examples later. Okay, functions of infinitive. Before that, we will discuss bare infinitive. Okay, bare infinitive consists of the base consists of the base form of the verb, like uh, walk, read. What we said, that without to, the base form of the verb, it is used as, if it is used as noun in the sentence, then that is our bare infinitive. Like I will make you understand this example. She made the children do their homework. Now She made the children to do their homework. We can't say because that will be wrong. She made the children do their homework. Do is used as infinitive, like it is used as noun in the sentence. That's why this is called bare infinitive. The lawyer had his assistant make copies of the contract. Make is bare infinitive. It is used only base form and not used as an verb, right? Dad wouldn't let me drive his car. Drive is infinitive, bare infinitive, and it has no to before it. Got it? Can you help me find to find my keys? Okay, what is this sentence? I will read this again. Can you help me find my keys, or to find my keys? You can say, can you help me to find my keys, or can you help me find my keys? Now if you use only find, it is bare infinitive. If you use to find, it is your to infinitive. Okay, I hope that this is done. Okay, now functions of the infinitive we will do first. Okay, functions of the infinitive. As a noun, infinitive sometimes used as a noun. For example, functioning is a subject or object complement of the sentence. For example, to learn is important. To learn is important. To learn is the subject of the sentence, and is a verb. Important is the object of this sentence. We can say it is adjective, but acts an adjective after verb be. When it comes, it's an adjective. Okay, so this is what infinitive acts as a noun in this sentence. Acts as an adjective. Infinitive can act as an adjective modifying noun. For example, he has books to read. Books to read. Books for what? To read. This to read modifies books. And we know that when a base form of verb is preceded by to, it is our infinitive. As an adverb, modifying verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. She works hard to succeed. Why did she work? The reason, adverb of reason, to succeed. To succeed. This is what succeed is, our a verb, and to is preceded by, it is preceded by to, and it modifies the work. Okay, so this is what our function of infinitive, function of infinitive. Go to next. Bare infinitive is done. Split infinitives, last topic. A split infinitive occurs when an adverb or other word is placed between two in the base form of verb. Okay, now we have one sentence only. She decided to quickly finish her work. Okay, quickly finish her work. For example, um, to is the, it is, it comes before the base form of verb, we already know. Now quickly is adverb, it comes between to and finish. So this is adverb. This splits the infinitive, like she decided to quickly finish her work. Okay, this is what our example of split infinitive. The infinitive is here, but it is split infinitive. You can say we learn three types of infinitives. First one, to infinitive, bare infinitive, and split infinitive. We use the function of the infinitive. Where do we use? How it function as, it function as a noun, it functions as a adjective, it functions as an adverb too. So all these things, I hope that you have understood. So thank you so much for watching. If the video is good for you, you people have to just give a like and share it. And if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe.